Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion AI for meeting notes. First, let's get started by enabling Notion AI in your Notion workspace settings. This powerful tool can transform your meeting productivity, allowing you to focus more on the discussion and less on manual transcription. Next, set up a dedicated database for your meeting notes. This structured approach ensures all your important discussions are consistently organized and easily accessible for future reference, saving you many hours each week. Now, let's capture those insights. During or after your meeting, simply paste your raw notes into Notion and use the AI to summarize the key points. It can distill hours of conversation into concise summaries in just a few seconds. Furthermore, you can prompt the AI to extract action items and critical decisions, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. This feature helps you quickly identify follow-up tasks, making your meetings far more productive and actionable for everyone involved. Once your notes are captured, effective organization and sharing are key. Categorize and tag your AI-generated notes within your database, making them simple to find when needed. You can also integrate these notes directly into your existing project management pages, linking discussions to specific tasks or projects. Finally, share the AI-summarized versions with your team. This ensures everyone is on the same page without having to read through lengthy transcripts, saving everyone valuable time and effort. To truly master Notion AI for meeting notes, consider these advanced tips. Experiment with different AI prompts to get the most precise and tailored summaries for your specific needs. For instance, ask for a summary focused on decisions made or next steps. Customize the AI's output to match various meeting types, whether it's a brainstorming session or a project review. Remember to always review and refine the AI-generated content. While powerful, a human touch ensures accuracy and adds crucial context, making your notes truly invaluable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.